Hindi pa. At this point, kung sa issue ng impeachment, we are merely gentlemen and ladies in waiting. Di ba?
But you are preparing.
Oh yeah, ako personally, yes. Just in case. I'm making sure that I can merge together the rules of impeachment, the rules of court, and parliamentary rules. Okay. Hindi pa eh. Wala akong, I have not heard any information from Senator Bato. I was wondering nga paano siya nakapirma doon sa minority opinion. I think that's how we should describe it. It's a minority opinion. It's not a report because a report has to be in the main itself.
Sino birthday ka na